Hello, hello, my magical friends. So I wanted to come on real quick today and show you the new candles that are coming available in 4 different intentions. This is a money one. So this is what it looks like. And then it's a beeswax. So you can either do a drip stick, or because beeswax is sticky, you can stick it right down to wherever it is that you are going to be having it. You can also put it in a holder. Then what you're going to do is there will be an incense that comes with it as well if you want to use the incense to light that. This is going to be part of your own spell working for ritual for money, success, and luck, or it's a ritual in and of itself. It's a spell cast in and of itself. All you have to do is light the top one. And then you'll spend some time visualizing what it is that you desire, letting universe know through your thought process what it is that you want. Remember that when you're working your spell cast, to focus on what it is that you do want, because universe doesn't recognize what may be considered negative words, right? The can't, don't kind of thing. So if you're looking for something in particular and you keep focusing on the lack of and what you don't have, that's what universe brings back to you. So I'm going to let this burn for just a minute so you can see how, as it burns down, and it will burn for some time. And again, this is something where if there is a candle burning, of course, we always recommend candle safety, right? That you stay nearby and stay aware of the burn of the candle. And it is beeswax, so it'll burn a little bit longer, but it's a nice time to have me time. It's a nice time when you're doing your spell work and you don't have to be rushed about it, that you can take the time to be able to simply sit and look into the flame, kind of get your answers if you want. If you do flame scrying, this is a great time to be scrying as well about money and financial situations. And then you'll see as it burns down, the center in this particular one is green because it is a money spell. You will see that the other surrounding candles will begin to start as well. Oops. There we go. And then of course your flame is going to torch because there are herbs encrusted on the candle itself. You want to make sure that you have fire safety awareness. I have mine burning on a slab of slate, natural slate, which is heat resistant because otherwise my altar is wood, as you can see. So I want to make sure I don't catch everything on fire, making sure that you have above it enough of a space so that you don't have anything hanging down that would maybe catch on fire from the flame if it begins to torch. Now, as you can see, this one has started to light. And again, as the flame burns down, each one individually will start as well. So again, making sure that you have fire safety with these because you're going to have a big central flame. I'm going to lift this just a bit. There you go. And you can see how once all of them start, how it wraps all the way around and sends out a full intent. So that is our new spell candles. Have a wonderfully magical rest of your day.